Did Christianity exist in the first century?
Was Paul a Christian?
Did Jesus free his followers from the law of Moses?
Is the New Testament anti-Semitic? These are the kinds of questions we'll explore here on Bible History.
Welcome to Bible History. The primary purpose of this channel is to present the positions of scholars that place the New Testament in its Jewish context. Judaism is often conceived as only the background of the New Testament, which leads to the theological view of supersessionism. That is the view that Christianity replaced Judaism.
An historically accurate picture of the New Testament is one that understands that its literature, major figures, and ideas fit within Second Temple Judaism. My name is Eric Mattson, and I am a master's student at Emory University. I specialize in the New Testament, and I have a particular interest in Paul and his letters.
My name is Jonathan Mann. I'm a master's student at Duke University, also focusing on the New Testament, with a special interest in Jesus research and Jewish messianism. Here at Bible History, we think that in order to understand the New Testament, you need to understand Second Temple Judaism. And in order to understand Second Temple Judaism, you need to understand the New Testament.
We realize the topics we're covering are controversial and go against the common Christian narrative. But as the French writer Joseph Joubert once said, it is better to debate a question without settling it than to settle a question without debating it.
Come alongside us as students who love to learn and hope to uncover a more accurate picture of the world in which the New Testament texts were written in and the major figures they describe. Feel free to subscribe and click on the notification bell to get updates.
If you would like to support us so that we can continue making these videos while we are in grad school, you can do so via Patreon or PayPal. The links are in the descriptions below.
Thank you so much for joining us. We're excited to learn with you.
If you would like to support us...
I was licking my lips.
Are you smiling?
That's debatable. Thank you so much for joining us. We're so excited to learn with you.
Wait, I like the way that started. On Bible History.
I nodded my head when you said anti-Semitic, so I was
Not the message we're going for here.